Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert your USB thumb drive from exFAT to NTFS without losing data. So at first, just open up your File Explorer and go inside this PC. From here, just go to your local disk, or rather just go to your USB drive. From here, you're gonna see all the files in your drive. Just cut them from here, right click on them and click on cut. Then just go to any of your local drive and paste it over here. As you can see, the file is over here. Then just go back and right click on your USB drive and click on format. And from here, make sure to select the file system, NTFS, and click on OK. And click on OK again. After this, the USB drive will be formatted and the file system will be converted to NTFS. But it's gonna format your entire USB thumb drive, so it's gonna be empty. Just give it some time, it's gonna do it, and then let me show you what to do after that. And after it's done, just click on OK and close it. And if you go inside it, it's empty. So just go to your local drive and just copy the file which you had, just cut it from here and paste it over here. Just give it some time and there you go. Now if you see the properties of this USB thumb drive, the file system is NTFS now. And basically that is how to convert exFAT to NTFS without losing data. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.